Welcome to the best picks. The best HairPlus is probably one of the most sought-after hair enhancement products on the market, promising thicker, fuller, and healthier-looking hair, and today, we're diving deep into its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. We will explore its unique formula, application process, and user experiences to determine if it's the right choice for your hair enhancement needs. Number 5. Rich Barber Enhance Pro Kit. This styling kit helps you create straight and full hairlines. It includes a texturizing spray, an applicator pump, and an application card for precision. The keratin-infused fibers bond with your existing hair for a natural, all-day hold. It creates a realistic and natural finish and texture. This kit is perfect for both home and professional use. Achieve that fresh out of the barbershop look instantly with the volumizing spray. Impress your clients with fuller, thicker-looking beards. It conceals hair loss, patches, and grays. Get everything you need in one kit: a 25g bottle of hair-building fibers, an applicator pump, and an application card. Enjoy maximum value with this all-in-one solution. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for styling. The keratin helps create a natural look that lasts all day. If you're a professional stylist or want salon-quality results at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Product is a perfect color match and sticks to hair naturally. Don't waste your time using the pump attachment. The grates on the bottle allow perfect control, not too much or too little comes out. Makes everything look full. All you have to do is put it on and lightly tap with a brush to blend in. After blended, I add some hairspray and let sit for 2 minutes and then give myself a quick edge up. Camera ready in minutes. Good enhancement replacement for daily use. Save the extra money at the barber and invest in this. Number 4. Enhance Pro Barber Kit II. It helps you highlight the sharp lines and shape of your haircut. This volumizing hair product defines your hairline and fills in any patches for a perfect look. It's infused with keratin for easy styling and management. The fibers blend seamlessly with your existing hair, leaving a completely natural look. It keeps you looking sleek and sophisticated all day long. The holding spray protects against humidity and locks in your style for up to 24 hours. It also works wonders on your beard. Use it to create a fuller, sharper look, mask grays, and cover any patchy areas. This professional 4-in-1 set includes hair-building fibers, a styling hold spray, an applicator pump, and an application card, everything you need for a perfect style. What we like? It includes a styling spray for long-lasting hold. This ensures your style stays perfect, no matter the weather. If you need a style that lasts all day and night, this is for you. What people say. Product is a perfect color match and sticks to hair naturally. Don't waste your time using the pump attachment. The grates on the bottle allow perfect control, not too much or too little comes out. Makes everything look full. All you have to do is put it on and lightly tap with a brush to blend in. After blended, I add some hairspray and let sit for 2 minutes and then give myself a quick edge up. Camera ready in minutes. Good enhancement replacement for daily use. Save the extra money at the barber and invest in this. Number 3. Elevate Hair Perfecting Kit. It instantly creates the look of thicker, fuller hair. The natural keratin fibers seamlessly blend with your own hair for a natural look. Unlike other products, its spray applicator lets you target thinning areas precisely. Get salon-quality results with ease. It's sweat, wind, and humidity resistant for all-day wear. And it washes out easily with shampoo. This gentle formula is safe for all hair types and won't irritate your scalp. It works well with other hair products too. Use it to conceal roots between dyed jobs or to add coverage to thinning areas. It provides instant volume and a natural look. What we like? This kit offers precise application for natural-looking results. The spray applicator makes it easy to target specific areas. If you want a mess-free and precise application, this is the one for you. What people say. Works really good. Makes me look like I have a full beard. I helped him spray the fibers on the first time. We were both so amazed at how easily it was applied and how realistic it looked. It was flexible and we could still run our hands through his hair. The dark brown color matched my dad's hair perfectly. It does a really good job. Typically this product will last me 1 to 1.5 months depending on how long my hair is and how much I have to use. There is very little debris or residue after use. It's almost barely noticeable if you run your fingers through your hair after use, unless you use a ton of it. Number 2. Hair Perfecting 2-in-1 Kit. This innovative kit is designed to give you thicker, fuller-looking hair in seconds. It's perfect for both men and women who want to conceal hair loss and boost their confidence. The kit includes natural hair fibers that seamlessly blend with your own hair. You'll get instant, natural-looking thickness without anyone noticing. The convenient spray applicator makes application quick and easy. Simply spray it onto your hair and watch it work its magic. It's that simple. This kit helps you conceal thinning hair or hair loss in just 15 seconds, giving you a boost of confidence. Whether you're a man or a woman, this kit is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and easy solution to thicker, fuller hair. It's designed to work for all hair types and colors. Get ready to experience the confidence that comes with having thicker, fuller hair. It's the perfect solution for a quick hair fix. What we like. It provides quick and easy coverage for thinning areas. The spray applicator ensures even distribution. If you need a quick fix for thinning hair, this is a great option for you. What people say. It's easy to put on and looks 100% natural. He has dark brown, almost black hair, so I purchased both and blended them and worked it out beautifully. The fibers blend so well with my beard that no one can tell I've used them. They fill in the gaps and give me a fuller, more confident appearance. The included applicator is a star player. It helps me apply the fibers where I need them, quickly and precisely. Number 1. BOLDIFY Hair Fibers, 28G. Struggling with thinning hair? It seamlessly blends with your existing hair for a natural, undetectable look. Enjoy the confidence of thicker, fuller hair in seconds. With 14 shades available, finding your perfect match is easy. Not sure which shade to choose? Select the darker option for a natural-looking result. It's made with natural ingredients, cruelty-free, and produced in an ISO 9001 certified facility. Get superior quality without the high price tag. Simply shake it onto your hair, gently pat it in, and you're done. It lasts all day and washes out easily with shampoo. We're so confident you'll love the results, we offer a hassle-free satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy, we'll refund your purchase. What we like. It comes in various shades to match your hair color perfectly. The natural ingredients ensure gentle use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a wide range of colors, this is for you. What people say. It stays in my hair. It doesn't get all over my pillow or on my hats. It's a really good product that definitely covers areas you don't want people to see or know about. I have very black hair and an ultra-white scalp, so it really pops out through my part. I just use this to cover my part and it makes my hair look way thicker too, and you don't see my part line at all. No more white scalp. It also comes out pretty good when you wash your hair. If you follow these simple steps, using a light hand, you will love the results. Tip: I am a retired hairdresser, and if you're as picky as I am, use a magnified mirror when you lightly comb. You don't want to comb the product out, just lightly comb along the hair shafts. It's been in my hair for 3 days and hasn't come off or rubbed onto my pillow, even with sweaty workouts. I feel so much better being in the world with what looks like my old hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.